Hi, this video is for parents. I want to help you help your child during this time of e-learning. I know how difficult it has been for everyone to adapt to doing school in this new way. So I just want to let you know how thankful I am for your help. What I want to do is walk you through how to help your child access the information that I'm sending home every day. So what I'm going to do is start from a basic computer screen right here, and I'm going to type in our school's name, Wade Hampton High School. If you don't already know how to get to me, this is how. After that, you're going to click on the link to Wade Hampton. And one of the fastest ways to get to all of your teachers' websites is to hover here. Hover over the directory and this menu should pop up. Since I'm a math teacher, come on over and click math. And that's going to put you to our entire department's webpage. Scroll on down and then you'll see me, Miss Monroe, right here where it says visit my site. Go ahead and click on that right there. Click on that website. So here's my website that's up, and it's been updated ever since the e-learning. So I have gone ahead and added a new tab to my website right here called e-learning. If you'll click on that, you'll be able to see what I have set up for your students right here. It looks like I need to go ahead and fix this right here, so I'm going to do that. Okay, once you get to this e-learning page and click on it, at the top you're going to see a couple of buttons right here, these white buttons. In the white buttons, you should click on your child's subject. So for instance, if your child is studying geometry with me, you're going to go ahead and click on that button. What it's going to do is take you to a folder of everything we're doing this week. So if you're still going to work and have a printer or printer access at home as well, this is everything that your students are going to need for this week, Monday through Thursday. And of course, Friday is spring break. So I'm going to take you back to the website right there and notice that either one of these buttons is going to give you the opportunity to just print on any of the handouts that we have. And scroll down the page a little bit. Everything right here gives you a way that you can contact me. I have set up a Google Voice phone during this time so that I don't have to give out my personal cell phone number. But here's my Google Voice phone number right here. And anytime you need to access me, you can text or call this number. I'm getting email mostly from the Gmail source, jmonroe@greenvilleschools.us. Also, your students have access inside of Google Classroom that allows them to sign up for Remind, and they can text me directly through the Remind. Another thing, your child can contact me through logging into Google Classroom and then finding the Remind code in there. So the students are going to have a classwork stream every day, and I'm going to make a video for them to show them how to do that as well. But so all the other ways that if you cannot print, your students can actually just do any of their work on regular notebook paper, and I'm going to make a separate video for them on how to turn in everything because some students are still having struggles with that. So all the ways down here you can contact me. There's several ways to still get Wi-Fi access in the county, and if you click on Greenville County Schools websites, there's locations for the buses that have Wi-Fi and hotspots for you to be able to go and download things. Also, remember that Charter Spectrum is also offering free broadband for 60 days with students. Here's a phone number for you to call and find out about that if you do not already have Wi-Fi. Okay, let me take you up to the slides right here. Each week I'm putting out a calendar of information for your students dependent on their subject. So for instance, here is the e-learning agenda for this week. If you go ahead and click on that link, and you can click this button, it'll just open the slide presentation in its own format. Again, here are some of my contact information. All right, every day I've given an overview of everything that they're expected to do in Google Classroom, and then I have a checklist for them just to kind of look through and see, have I done everything I'm supposed to do for the day? So if you look through these slides, you'll see that every day of the week this week, we do not have school on Friday, and that starts spring break, and I've given them some ideas and things to do over spring break. One of the things they can do is catch up on some of the work that some of them have neglected to do up until now. So coming back to my website here, you see the buttons again for you to be able to print out any handouts. If you have access to a printer, even at work, you can print everything in the folder for the week. Then ways to contact me. All right, now I want to take you through to a Google Classroom and let you take a look at how your students can be accessing information. I'm going to make that in a second video, so I hope this is helpful for you, and please feel free to contact me with any questions about this e-learning time.